Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to NDRs and Crafts. So today's video is a very special video because today is my birthday. So if you're one of my friends, they know that it's my birthday today because it's the 10th of April. So I said let's make a video on a homemade mask that you can apply on your skin to get shiny, healthier and glowing skin. So you will need honey. Honey is optional. If your skin is dry, then use honey. You need turmeric. You'll need a plate and a spoon. You need a banana, raw banana, not raw, just a banana, and yogurt. What you want to do is you want to peel the banana and you want to take the peel of it and you want to scrape the inside of it, the white thing, and start scraping it and then put it in your plate. Now your banana peel is done, and if you think your banana peel is less, you can add an banana in it. You want to take some turmeric, just a pinch, and you just want to put it with your banana peels. Lastly, just put yogurt in it. I don't know, depends on how much your peel is. I'm just going to add 3 teaspoons of these, and that's it. Once you're done this, now you want to mix everything up. It's going to be a little bit messier at the first, but then it's going to get really good. So mix it really well. Keep on mixing until you get a very nice texture that I will show you in a bit. So here's the mask, and the consistency should look something like this. It should be thick but not too thick, and just go ahead and apply that on your face and leave it for about